Hi, it's Evan here from Evan There Gaming. I'm here doing the next King of the Ring ladder match. I'm The Rock playing Triple H. So yeah.
Here we go with one of the most exciting matches in sports entertainment.
Drop kick by The Rock.
The people's champ to the top rope.
I missed.
With a miss like that, I'm wondering if he has something in his eye. Oh, did you see the neck snap back? He's left the ring. This could get interesting. And there's the ladder. Remember, there are no countouts in this. Good grief, tremendous impact with that ladder. Good in-ring presence shown by the game. Oh no, look at those eyes. Evil thoughts have to be running through his mind. And he gets back in.
The announcer's table.
What a clothesline! Big shot to the game. That'll send a message. How do you send a message against a man named the Cerebral Assassin?
Counter.
What an impact from that kick. Oh, hard kick to the ribs.
DDT.
He may
That's
be
it, still.
rude and crude,
Yeah.
but you can't argue the fact that Triple H has talent for days. Oh my, what thunderous impact. And there's a counter by the most electrifying man in sports entertainment. It'll be interesting to see who becomes the alpha male early in the contest.
So yeah, this is a second round, and it's the last match of the second round. The Rock playing.
You always have to expect a war when you
Triple
go in
H.
there with Triple H. He's going to do everything it takes to win. That was a ton of velocity. The game from behind.
I just realized, what am I doing? I'm on Triple H out of the arena.
And one of these
If
superstars was
I go out, he'll follow me.
to the semifinals.
Then. Yep.
Hey, get down from there. Here we go again. Oh, I don't like this one.
DDT!
Oh no, the table imploded from the impact.
So yeah, he's practically dead. He's already back up on his feet.
And he gets
Wow,
back
that's
to the ring.
surprising.
What a shot. What a shot from the ladder. Boy, oh boy.
The Rock!
How does that briefcase locked in? Pull it. Briefcase trying to grab that.
The Rock's hanging.
Oh man, did you hear that? I'm glad we only heard it and didn't feel it. A thunderous fall from the top of the ladder. The Cerebral Assassin showing how
Counter.
he's
That's your
always
place.
dangerous.
Neck breaker.
As controversial as anyone has ever been in WWE. Oh yeah, the game just loves to stir the pot. My elbow in the face. You hear how his leg connected? Another ladder. Hey! Wow,
That's
he
not
was
good.
just about to get his head taken off. Wow! If he keeps this up,
Triple
this could be
H.
over quick. That was vicious. He's heading up the ladder.
Triple H could win.
You can see the mind
Doesn't
turning. You
quit.
have to wonder what Triple H has in store next. Going up the ladder again.
That didn't work.
It's an
Triple H
amazing
to the phone.
atmosphere in this arena tonight.
Counter.
What an impact from the knee. I have a strong feeling that these guys will throw caution to the wind and just go full steam
Triple H
ahead.
out of the ring.
He's going back up.
The Rock.
Pulling with all his might, but can he get the briefcase free?
The Rock advances. Thank you for watching. We'll post next King of the Ring match soon. Bye.